Tanfon 3-phase permanent magnet AC motor with a service life of 20 years. Using a special shaped magnet and a unique winding structure. The starting wind speed is low and can be started at 3 meters per second without any auxiliary starting device. Small vibration and tiny friction, stable rotation in higher speed. The blade adopts reinforced glass fiber reinforced plastic material, anti-strong wind. The blade protects itself automatically. Reasonable startup appearance, so that the whole machine runs with low noise. Working noise level below 60 decibels, noise level below 55 dB around the wind turbine tower, no noise impact. The use of rare earth permanent magnet parts reduces the size and weight of the whole machine. Magnetic stirration generator design, with 20 years design life. The tower assembly is equipped with a gravity taper device, which is reliable and easy to assemble. The outer casing is made of stainless steel, and its metal combination has high corrosion resistance and can be used in high corrosion areas. Overpressure, over-discharge, overcurrent, strong wind automatic treatment protection, protect the battery life. In winter, it won't freeze the wind turbine. The reasons: 1. Because the blade material is waterproof, spray paint waterproof material, and have weather strip. 2. The wind turbine keeps turning all the time. As long as the wind speed reaches the working wind speed, the wind generator will work 24 hours. Compared to the solar system, the wind generator system can also produce electricity at night.